Kitchen design ideas with wood cabinets. Hey there, are you looking for an interior designer for your house? Can be your reference when you are confused to choose the right kitchen wall tiles, washroom design, kitchen design and interior design for your house. These some videos were uploaded in the hope that we can give you the inspiration to choose best kitchen design and interior design ideas as per your personal taste. So get inspired. जरूर, किचन डिजाइन में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स होते हैं। 1. तारांकन लेआउट। तारांकन डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट ए यू शेप्ड, एल शेप्ड, गैली और आइलैंड किचन लेआउट बेस्ड ऑन योर स्पेस एंड प्रेफरेंसेस। 2. तारांकन स्टोरेज। तारांकन प्लान ample storage for utensils, cookware and pantry items. Utilize cabinets, drawers and shelves efficiently. 3. तारांकन appliances. Tarankan choose kitchen appliances based on your cooking needs. Ensure they are placed conveniently for a smooth workflow. 4. Tarankan countertops. Tarankan select durable and easy to maintain countertops. Popular choices include granite, quartz and laminate. 5. Tarankan lighting. Tarankan ensure good lighting for cooking areas. Use a mix of ambient, task and accent lighting for a well-lit and inviting kitchen. 6. Tarankan color scheme. Tarankan choose a color scheme that reflects your style and creates a pleasant atmosphere. Consider light colors for small kitchens and bold colors for larger spaces. 7. Tarankan ventilation. Tarankan proper ventilation is essential. Install a good exhaust fan or hood to keep the kitchen air clean and fresh. 8. Tarankan flooring. Tarankan choose flooring that is easy to clean and durable. Common options include tiles, hardwood or laminate. No. Tarankan work triangle. Tarankan keep the stove, refrigerator and sink in a triangular layout for efficient movement while cooking. Thus, Tarankan personal touch. Tarankan add personal elements like decorative accessories, plants or artwork to make the kitchen feel like your own. Remember, the key is to balance functionality with aesthetics for a kitchen that suits your needs and style. 8. The size of this kitchen is 9 x 9 feet 81 square feet. 2. L-shape counter. 3. Marble countertop. 4. Counter height 34 inch. 5. Wooden color cabinets sheet. 6. Modular kitchen design. 7. Sample kitchen design. 8. Modern kitchen design. https://youtube.com/@royalgypsum1. C equals a Japopchu C deep 1L.